Hey, what's up, people? Welcome back to another video. This is me, your Praveen K vlog. So, starting the vlog right on the road itself. That's because we are gonna explore Bangalore. That's why we are gonna explore Bangalore is because today is Karnataka Bandh, which has been called by pro-Kannada activists due to Kaveri issue. So, I'll be showing you guys whether the shops are open and how is the street and how's the traffic, everything in this video. So, stay tuned, watch the video till the end. And I'm not going to do it in my two-wheeler. I'm doing it in my cycle because I love doing from past 1 week. I've started the cycle exploring Bangalore in cycle. So right now I'm at Kadagudi Post. So we are from here. We'll be going to Opforum and then to ITPL and then to Uri and then to Ayappanagar and then back home. So in this location, I'll be showing you whether how is the traffic and how is the normal life. Is it affected or not? Everything, and the time is already 10 a.m. in the morning. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. And in this video, you'll be able to find out. Bangalore in different avatar, guys, because I really love traffic-free Bangalore. So this is one day which I really feel happy. So even I hope even you would be felt the same one if you were got any chance to travel by road during Karnataka Bandh, which was called yesterday. So why this Karnataka Bandh? This Karnataka Bandh is mainly because of the Kaveri issue which is going on. I'll explain you detailedly on the go. So come on, guys, let's go. As you see, guys, the left side, there are shops which has been closed completely, and further we'll go and we'll see whether. So yeah, guys, now I'm at Kadagudi, right near to Sai Baba Ashram. And to my left, you can see the shops which are being closed. Pharmacy shops, few were open, few were closed. So this and even the public are free. They're walking around, so there is no disturbance on this street, which is like a great one. As Pro Canada activists said that they'll be doing it in a peaceful way instead of going in the other extreme mode. So thank God in that way it is like peaceful, so public are like freely they are walking without any tension. And talking about this is a place where it used to be crowd once upon a time when Puttaparthi Sai Baba was there. And this is the ashram to which is my right side. Yeah, and there's a construction work which is going on the flyover. There will be a new flyover which will be parallel ring road which connects Osur and Dodbellapur. The construction work is going on still. No idea when it gets complete. So let's see that one. And so far the traffic movement is also like peaceful. There are a lot of vehicles which is playing on road, and but luckily the traffic wise it is like super empty, guys. That's because of the Karnataka Bandh. And why this Karnataka Bandh is because mainly the Kaveri issue, which the Kaveri board has decided to release water for Tamil Nadu, where Karnataka itself doesn't have water for its farmers and people, guys. But the Supreme Court has asked Karnataka to release water for Tamil Nadu. That's the reason why this Bandh is going on. The main reason for this shortage of water is it's because of the monsoon which has been taken a toll on Karnataka, guys, where we had a very less rain this year. We do not mind giving water to Tamil Nadu, guys, but the thing is, if Karnataka itself doesn't have water to for its farmers and the people who are staying who are using water, so how will Karnataka give water to Tamil Nadu? And moreover, this season, due to this the rainfall this year, it was very less. So that's the main reason why Karnataka was not ready to share the water to Tamil Nadu. But still, they could have thought about it twice, and even they should have adjusted, but they're not. So this is the main reason why people and the pro-Kannada activists are forcing the government to stop sharing water with Tamil Nadu. Apart from this, there is nothing else. If Tamil Nadu was in Karnataka's place, and will Tamil Nadu will be doing the same thing to its to us, that should be answered by the people and the politicians who deal with it. So yeah, now let's do cycling and enjoy this street which is traffic free, guys, Bangalore. So let's enjoy that. And let me know about your thought about this Karnataka Bandh in the comment section. If you also support this Karnataka Bandh, do let me know in the comment section. Do let me know in the comment section, guys. So, chalo then, we'll enjoy this road and then we'll go back home. So yeah, guys, we are on our way to ITPL now, and look at this road, guys. This used to be so jam-packed, and now it is like full of free. There is no vehicle on this road apart from public transport, and I can see few people boarding the bus and they are traveling. Government vehicle is like around, so there is no disturbance for that. And few shops were closed, like for example, and the showrooms which have also been closed due to this Karnataka Bandh, and they do also support for this. And hospitals were open, few restaurants were open, but few restaurants were closed. But still, it was great. And malls were also closed. And now I'm gonna reach ITPL, which will be like in next another 1 kilometer. And usually this route takes me like half an hour to 45 minutes to reach from my place. Now it just took 15 minutes from my place to this location, where I've cycled for good 15 minutes, which is like amazing. And yeah, so now we have reached category tree park, guys, which is on my right side. And if you have not visited this park, do visit this park, guys, which is like amazing. And now we have reached TCS office. Look at to my left side, guys, it's so full empty. And even the BMTC bus, which travels from here to Silk Boat, even that is also free. Empty it is. Amazing, right? This is what I like in this Karnataka one, especially. I love when if it is a long weekend, most of the people will travel to their hometown and other places. So when the other people leave Bangalore, this is how Bangalore looks. The MN on road. Yes. If you're someone who have experienced this in past as well, let me know because I have experienced most of the times and I have done a lot of videos on this for my previous company as well as for my YouTube channel. I'll be placing that in my iCard, which was like 10 years back where I experienced similar one. I love this thoroughly, guys. So yeah, share your thoughts in the comment section, guys. How do you feel Bangalore traffic free? And pretty soon we'll be having our purple line, which will be extended till bifinally. Uh, Hopefully by October first week, they might be inaugurating it, and Chelagata inspection is also be done. So we'll see. Wait and watch. Fingers crossed, guys. So chala then. Catch you guys in the other side. Inspection is also be done. So we'll see. Wait and watch. Fingers crossed, guys. So chala then. Catch you guys in the other side. Inspection is also be done. So we'll see. Wait and watch. Fingers crossed, guys. So chala then. Catch you guys in the other side. Inspection is also be done. So we'll see. Wait and watch. Fingers crossed, guys. So chala then. Catch you guys in the other side. Inspection is also be done. So we'll see. Wait and watch. Fingers crossed, guys. So chala then. Catch you guys in the other side. Inspection is also be done. So we'll see. Wait and watch. Fingers crossed, guys. So chala then. Catch you guys in the other side. Inspection is also be done. So we'll see. Wait and watch. Fingers crossed, guys. So chala then. Catch you guys in the other side. Inspection is also be done. So we'll see. Wait and watch. Fingers crossed, guys. So chala then. Catch you guys in the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. Inspection is also be done. In the other side. So yeah, guys, finally we reached home, and the time is almost 11 in the morning. So as it rained yesterday, the roads were like full slush and everything was there. So I had to ride a little bit slope. That's because of I don't have mud guard on my cycle. Though I have that mud guard, but still the slush which falls still in my head. That's the reason I was riding slow. So it took 1 hour for me to reach a total of 13 kilometers right round. And this is my location, guys. And I hope you would have liked this different angles of shots which I've done in my cycle. And same, I mounted the camera mount on my cycle as well. So that's the reason why I was able to give you different good shots as well. So I'll end the video over here itself. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you know what
On
to
my
do.
cycle
Hit the
as well,
like, share,
able to
and
give you
subscribe
different
button.
good shot. And also don't
So I'll
forget
end
to
the
hit the bell
I
button.
hope you like
Catch you
this
guys
video.
in
If
next
you mount on my
interesting
cycle as well,
video. Able
until
to give
then,
you
peace
different
out.
good shot.
And
Please
so I'll end the
don't forget to subscribe, guys, because we are growing.
So then catch you guys in next interesting video. Bye. So I'll end the I hope you like this video. If you don't forget to subscribe, guys, because we are growing.